Oh yeah, dot plots.
Dot plots are useful with regard to categorical or qualitative variables, that is, variables that note the category to which each individual belongs. The frequency of each result is indicated by the number of dots representing that result. For example, this dot plot shows a survey of how many people, if any, owned which Pokemon game. The dots represent how many people.
Stem plot! Yay!
This is a double back-to-back stem plot, and this will be the data for A, this will be the data for B. These are leaves, and this is the stem. It is back-to-back because we are comparing data. It's double because this is 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2. If we are talking about age of people in a room, then A would be female and B would be male. There would be a 1-year-old girl in the room and one unborn male in the room.
The data on a stem plot can also be applied to a box plot.
I am box.
And I am plot.
Together,
We are
box plot!
A box plot is made up of a 5-number summary: the minimum, first quartile, median, third quartile, and maximum. Shown here is a parallel box plot comparing groups A and B. There are also such things as modified box plots, which show outliers, but there are no outliers in these data.
histogram.
Histograms useful for large data sets involving quantitative variables show counts or percents falling either at certain values or below certain values. In this histogram, it shows the test score distribution of a class. The x-axis is the scores on the exam, and the y-axis is the frequency of students. 5 students got scores ranging from 0 to 25. 7 students got scores both from 25 to 50 and 50 to 75. And 15 got 75 to 100 on the exam.
Bar graphs! Yeah, bar graphs! Woo!
A common visual display to compare the sizes of categories or groups is the bar graph. Sizes can be measured as frequencies or as percents. In this example, our group is using data collected from the average times we fart a day over a 2-week period. The x-axis contains our group members, and the y-axis contains the average number of farts a day. Also, in a double bar graph, we compare the average number of farts and burps of our group members. The blue bar is farts, the orange bar is burps.
Yeah, scatter plot, scatter plot, scatter plot.
A graphical display, called a scatter plot, gives an immediate visual impression of a possible relationship between two variables. It can show evidence of relationship but not evidence of causation.
In the scatter plot, we are interested in the strength of the relationship of happiness versus amount of money. The x-axis is amount of income per month in thousands, and the y-axis is the happiness on a scale of 1 through 10.
As you can see in this example, there is a positive association between happiness and amount of income, meaning as the amount of income increases, so does happiness. These imaginary people have a lot of money, very happy, but we can't establish causation between the two.